Welcome to the comprehensive guide on the alert and notification process, from receiving alerts to ordering spare parts and reviewing notifications for your entire fleet. Our journey begins when an alert email lands in your inbox, indicating that a material handler in your fleet has encountered a critical breakdown. This alert is marked with a red button, signifying a high-risk issue that demands immediate attention. Each alert is thoughtfully designed with you in mind. At the top, you'll find the machine details. Further down, you'll see the View This Event button, but let's hold off on clicking it for now. Instead, observe the detailed machine timeline below. This timeline provides a snapshot of the machine's operational history, highlighting periods of activity, idling, and breakdowns, offering preliminary insights into the machine's performance patterns that happened shortly before the alert. Now let's dive into the View This Event button. Clicking here takes us to the Breakdown Event page, where you're greeted by a detailed contextual history of the machine, a crucial tool for rapid decision-making without losing the bigger picture. The page displays the machine's real-time status and comprehensive diagnostics. There is also a metrics section which shows the machine's uptime metrics, along with a link to the dashboard for more in-depth insights. Central to diagnosing issues quickly is the list of error codes prominently featured on this page. Here, you can view specific alerts for the machine, each linked to detailed diagnostic trouble codes. By clicking on the Guidance button, Talpa's intelligent assistant offers precise troubleshooting recommendations. These suggestions are based on machine learning insights, historical failures, and OEM guidance specific to the error codes detected. This actionable advice can guide you through the next steps, which may include ordering spare parts directly linked to the identified issues. Should you need to act immediately, the Order Spare Parts Now button is ready. It offers a seamless transition to ordering necessary parts, with pre-filled fields to expedite the process and visuals showing the potential cost and risk of delayed action. Finally, navigate to the Events List page. This area provides a bird's-eye view of all events across your fleet, active issues, scheduled maintenance, and resolved incidents. Each event is detailed with location, status, and direct links to event pages, enhancing your fleet management capabilities. Talpa also enhances oversight by alerting users to anomalies before they lead to breakdowns. Anomaly detection proactively warns dealers before small issues turn into major failures. Just as you receive an email for a breakdown, you can also receive alerts when an anomaly is detected. It's like how ECG alters before a heart attack. Anomalies hint to potential breakdowns. Instead of waiting for an emergency, the dealer can contact fleet operators proactively, reducing risk and improving uptime, keeping the fleet in top condition. In this example, an email was sent showing 8 instances of abnormal behavior. To see the details, we click on Investigate Event. A yellow warning label signifies that anomalous behavior is detected. The respective details page displays metrics and the location of the machine during the detected behavior. You also have the maintenance log, which shows the upcoming maintenance as well as the maintenance history of this asset. The Anomaly Details section takes up the most real estate on this page and highlights the various signals contributing to the specific anomaly alert. Here, you are provided a snapshot of actual signal behavior. Specifically, it details the observed signal range in comparison with the expected signal range according to the machine's historical data. Detecting anomalies early is crucial as it helps prevent unscheduled downtime by providing predictive insights on maintenance needs. This capability not only ensures the reliability and efficiency of the fleet, but also optimizes operational workflows, ultimately contributing to significant cost savings and improved asset longevity. Utilize the recommended actions that can lead to the potential cause of the anomaly, or contact the OEM's help desk for immediate assistance. That concludes our in-depth tour. You've seen how our comprehensive tools and intuitive design keep your fleet running smoothly and efficiently. For more information or to request a personalized demo, please reach out to your Fuchs Terex representative. To discover more about our innovative solutions, visit the Fuchs Terex website. Thank you for exploring the possibilities with Fuchs Terex and Talpa, where data drives decisions and uptime is maximized.